Thank you so much for 48 subscribers, and this is the special video for it.
Hello and welcome to all the viewers watching my video. My name is Lucky and today we are going to discuss a small story. So this story starts with a village. A small village, and there are two friends. Their names are Ben and Alan. Ben and Alan are like the best friends in the world. They're like Scooby and Shaggy and Motu and Patlu. They're the same. Now as they're the best friends, so they do all the tasks together. Now once the village chief, in the villages there are chiefs. So once the village chief has called them and asked them so that we are making a new pond and we want it to fill with water. We want you to fill it with water. If you will pour one bucket of water in it, I will give you $1. At that time, $1 was a lot amount. So both of them thought, why not? Why we should not do it? So both of them thought, yes, we will do it. Now Alan and Ben, both of them, their physical strength, their age, their determination, all was the same. Just one thing was different. Alan thought of doing smart work, while Ben thought of doing hard work. Alan thought that if I want to do this work whole life, one time will come that I will not have that physical strength which I am having today, and I won't be able to do the same task, and I won't be able to make that much money as I will make today. So he thought and he came up with a brilliant idea. He came up with a brilliant plan. While Ben, he thought, I'll do hard work here day and night and make a lot of money. So now Ben has started to go to the well of the village and take a bucket of water from there and fill the pond. Now he started to do this, and daily on an average he used to make $30. Now as he made $30 a day, he thought, wow, that is a good income for me, because at that time $30 was a lot amount. Now Alan went in search of river. So he found out that the closest river is about 3 miles from their existing village. So he went there and he started to dig a pipeline from that river to the pond. Now as he started to dig the pipeline from the river to the pond, he worked day and night. Now these two friends, they have started at the same time, started at the same date. Now after that, there have been weeks have been passed, weeks to months and months to years. It's been a few years, still their age is same. And once Alan and Ben, they met again. Once Ben has said, Alan, what are you trying to do? You see, I am working day and night and I'm making so much money. I'm much richer than you. You became much poorer than me. We started at the same time. Now Alan replied smartly, my friend, time will tell who is richer and who is poorer. And he left. Now Ben thought that it is his ego, but what he didn't knew that was his attitude. And then they started to work again. Now it's been 5 years since they got the task. Now Alan has successfully set up the pipeline from the river to the pond, whereas Ben is still working with the buckets technique to earn money. Now as Alan started the pipeline, he made an average of 5 buckets of water per second, and he made a lot of money. It means that he's earning 24/7. Now after 5 years, there's been 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and now both of them, their age is same. Now they are both aged. Now their age is very old enough now. So as their age is very old enough now, so once Alan and Ben met again. Now because Alan made this pipeline from the river to the pond, now he has earned a lot of money because that pipeline is giving money every second. Every second he's earning $5. So it means you can calculate how much is he earning a day and how much he's earning in a week, and how much is he earning in a month. So he's earning a lot of money. So they met and they said, and Ben asked to Alan, "My friend, tell me, you and we have started at the same time. Our ages were same, our physical strength was same. Then how are you much richer than me, as you were very poor from me when we started?" Alan replied confidently again, "My friend, it is just the difference of thinking. You thought for the short term that I will work hard. You did hard work, but I thought that I'll do the long work. I thought for the long term process. I did the smart work." When Ben heard this, he also thought, yes, he is right. Because Ben was working with the bucket technique, Alan was digging for the pipeline. And when Alan was digging for the pipeline, Ben was mocking him that he is not having money, you are very poorer. But now it's like the time has flipped, the coin has flipped, and Ben has become much poorer than Alan, and Alan has become the richest person in the village just by doing this business. So my friend, that is the moral of today's story. That is what I want to teach you. That is what I want to tell you, that you should have long-term visions instead of short-term visions, because a time will come when you won't be able to do the same task which you are doing today. When you will be old, when you will grow old, you will not have that much physical strength that you are having today. You won't be able to work that much as you are able to work today. So that's it for today, and my passion is to speak. So if you like my content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press on the bell notification if you are interested in such more videos. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.